first quarter, you don't think you're ever gonna like make it. I've watched so many ring outs, and now it's my turn. I first and foremost want to thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. Without him, I wouldn't be standing here today, and I'm just so grateful for being able to walk in his path that he's guided for me. I want to thank my family for their unwavering love and support throughout this whole journey. My boyfriend, Ashton, for always motivating me when I'm down and pushing me to be greater, and quarter by quarter just constantly cheering me on. Thank you so much. To all the professors over at Scallon, thank you so much. Us students would not be as prepared as we are for boards, knowledgeable as we are without you guys. The nights were long and the tests were really, really hard. But thank you for always pushing us to be great. To the women that run the X-ray department, this is where I cry. Tanya, Dana, and Michelle, I love y'all. Being an XRI has been one of the most transformative programs at Sherman. I've learned so much, and I've become so much more confident in taking x-rays because y'all spoke life into me. And when I was nervous to start patient care and patient positioning, y'all never made me feel dumb. You always encouraged me, gave me cheat sheets, the whole nine. So thank you so much for being there when I'm in school and when I need talks that are not about school at all. Thank you so much. The X-ray department honestly is one of the backbones of this clinic, and it gives us interns insight on how to make a specific adjustment, where and when to adjust, and that's one of the most important things about chiropractic. So thank you so much to the X-ray department. Also to the front desk staff, Jerry, Zoe, Princess, Miss Caroline, thank you so much for always having my back. And when I come down here, my head's not screwed on too tight and my ducks are not in a row, y'all always make sure that everything's smoothly done. So thank you so much for that. I always enjoyed coming down, seeing Princess's smile, telling me my patients are already checked in when they're still in the parking lot. It's really stuff like that that makes you be able to focus on what happens in those rooms, which is really important. So thank you so much for that front desk staff. And lastly, I want to thank my patients. Well, not lastly, I'm rambling. But my patients. Thank you for sticking with me through thick and thin, helping me to become more confident as a chiropractor. Without your spines, like I seriously would not be able to go out into this world and start my career with the confidence that I have right now. Clinic is a nerve-wracking experience, to say the least. When you come down here, you're kind of shaking in your boots, like, to be honest. But I want to thank every single case doctor for taking the time to teach me and to pour into me, even when my time is running over 30 minutes. And you know, we're not worried about that. We're just worried about learning new things every day. When I started clinic, one of my goals were to learn one new thing a day, and that really had, like, I've achieved that goal beyond. Like, when I came down here, I wanted just to be a sponge, and with you guys just pouring into me, it's just, I can't even thank y'all enough, honestly. Specifically, Dr. Finley, Dr. Summerall, Dr. Madden, thank you for instilling confidence into me as a chiropractor, and helping me open up as a person in general. And see Hall's best hall.
Here we all of y'all for being here. It means a lot. Also, I'd like to thank all the professors in Scallon for preparing us for boards and for clinic. And also all the case doctors, y'all are wonderful. Special shout out to my Seahawk case doctors, Dr. Finley, Dr. Summerall, Dr. Madden. Y'all taught me so much, and I appreciate every piece of advice that y'all gave me. Ooh, I'm crying. Over my time in clinic. Another special shout out, Dr. Princess, Dr. Hawk, Dr. Wait, no, I already said Dr. I'm sorry. Dr. Becky. Becky. And also Dr. Lerner, Dr. Guest for picking on me for being a Georgia fan. Go Dogs. Just my time here in clinic has been amazing. Thank you to my patients. You've been wonderful. Thank you for letting me practice with you guys. Also to my girls, my sisters, y'all are like my home away from home, and I wouldn't be standing here if it wasn't for all of you girls. Like, I love y'all so much. I miss y'all. Also, thank you to my quarter. Y'all mean a lot. Y'all welcomed me as part of the family in third, fourth quarter for me, and it's been a ride, and I'm gonna miss you guys. Oh, my great stalker, Moses. I swear. Thank you, Moses. You've been there for me since my first day, quarter one. I swear, Moses knew my grade in biochem before I even had the confidence to even look. Thank you to the front desk staff. Y'all have been amazing. Y'all helped the clinic run so smoothly, and I'll just, once again, just thank you to everybody. Gonna be a journey. Oh, mommy, sorry. Also, I'd like to thank my mom. She's been my glue since I've been here. We've been through so much within these past 3.5 years, and she's just been my backbone this entire ride. And so, Mom, I thank you for that. My best friend, Kristen, I love you. You've been there for me as well, so thank you for telling me to put my big girl pants on. But yeah, here's to a new journey.
Unexpected turn of events. Thanks, Molly, for the jacket. I'm out of here.
God led me here, and He helped me get through it, to be honest. I would not be here without God. I want to thank the case doctors, all of y'all, but specifically Madden, Summerall, and Finley, for your grace and advice and all the shenanigans y'all put up with. I'd like to thank my parents because they pretended to listen to me on the phone daily about the day, and my little sister, my older brother, and my other older sister, all of them. I want to thank my class for accepting me and for all the laughs. We haven't really stopped laughing since we started, and I really appreciate that. I want to thank my friends for dragging me out of my house on the weekends, because I would have stayed, and they know it. I do want to thank the front desk ladies, Jerry, Zoe, Princess, Caroline, and Dr. Dooley. He's a lady. The X-ray department, all of them, but specifically Dana, Tanya, and Michelle, y'all are basically our team mom. Encouragement, snacks, you know, the whole 9 yards. We all did it. And then I want to say that this was the hardest thing I've ever done. And there is a light at the end of the tunnel, and there is a giant number of dead. Well, you can do it. I did it. You can do it. So you're still going into adapting to something new.